Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review this mini electric pin vise from DSPIAE and the tungsten rotary burr set and individual drill bits from the same company. I'm also going to try the pin vise together with the drill bits to see how they perform. I bought the set as well as the other tools from Hobby Easy Hong Kong. You can check out their website in the description below. Although the box says portable electric grinder, this product is actually a pin vise that you can use for different types of jobs, such as drilling, burring, polishing, sanding. There are two smaller boxes in the package. The slim one contains the pin vise, and a larger piece containing a cable for charging. The rear end has an inlet for the Type-C charger, and the metal head feels pretty solid. Here is the speed and the battery power indicator. The lower part has 3 bars, that is the speed indicator. The upper one tells you how much remaining battery power before you need to recharge. The larger box stores the charging USB cable, which is a Type-C. The cable looks like any other USB cable. The larger box also has a pair of hex keys, and you can store one of the hex keys on the back of the pin vise. The box that I have here is a set of tungsten carbide rotary burr set. This set is sold separately. This is what you get when you open the box. The box contains 10 burr bits with different heads. Let's take a closer look. We can try them out and see how it fits into the pin vise. Installing the burr bits is quite straightforward. The bits fall into the chuck easily, and securing the bits with the hacksaw only takes a few seconds. Let's test how noisy they are. The third part of the video is looking into the individual drill bits. These drill bits were sold separately. They come in small plastic containers, and they come in drill sizes from 0.3mm up to 3mm. I decided to buy all 12 of them anyway. When I first bought these, I assumed they were a perfect match for the pin vise, because they all have that thick cylindrical base. Well, I was wrong, and I'll tell you in a bit when I tested them out. See, when I tried to fix the drill bits on the pin vise, it turns out that the base was a tad too large for the chuck. I later measured them with a vernier caliper and found out that the diameter of the bits were 0.1 mm larger than the chuck. It's a small difference but quite fatal, making the bit useless. As a solution, I bought this mini keyless drill chuck. All I have to do is attach the drill chuck on the pin vise with the help of one of the burr bits as the central core. Then insert the drill bit and tighten the whole thing. I just have to make sure that the drill bit is dead center. This requires a bit of a trial and error with turning the hex key. It's not ideal, but it works. You can tell if the drill bit is not dead centered because you can see the bits moving around. Let's do some tests with it. I've selected this poor old kit as a test bed. Make a few holes and see the results up close. What do you think? Thank you for watching. Till then, bye for now.